Hey there, little artist! Ready to hit the road and learn how to draw a super cool car? Buckle up and get ready for a fun ride. Today, we're going to show you step by step how to draw your very own car. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your markers and let's rev up our creativity. First things first, let's draw the wheels of our car. Start by drawing the front wheel. Then move on to the back wheel. Make sure they're nice and round. Now, let's sketch out the body of our car. Draw a sleek shape that connects the two wheels, giving our car its classic look. Time to add some pizzazz. Draw the windows on the sides of the car. And don't forget the door handle. Let's also add the headlights at the front and the backlight at the back to light up our car. To make our car look extra fancy, let's draw an extra wheel at the back. This will give our car some extra stability and style. Once our car is all sketched out, let's go over the lines with our marker to make them bold and sharp. This will make our car stand out on the road. Are you ready to add some color to our car? Let's bring out our color pens and start coloring. As we color, let's name each color we use. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. color. Light blue color. Fantastic job, little drivers! You've drawn an awesome car that's ready to hit the road in style. Keep practicing your drawing skills and let your imagination steer the way. Hello, young artists! Get ready for a fun ride as we draw a special CNG auto rickshaw today. Grab your black marker and let's begin by sketching the body of our lively auto rickshaw. First, the body. Then the essential features, headlights and 2 sturdy wheels. Continue by drawing the front windshield and side doors. Let's not forget the comfy seat inside and the crucial handle to steer the way. Cool! Our auto rickshaw is taking shape. Complete the outline, making it bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Bring out those vibrant color pens. As we add color, let's name each hue. Awesome! Yellow color. Blue color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Orange color. Gray color. Sea green color. Red color.
Wow!
Superb job, little artists! You've painted a delightful auto rickshaw with your imagination. Get ready to roll into a fantastic journey as we draw and color a wonderful bicycle today. Let's hop on and start pedaling our way through creativity. First, grab your pencil and create a rough sketch of our cool bicycle.
Wow!
Begin with the front wheel, shaping it just right. Followed by the mudguard and the sleek handle. Next up, draw the back wheel, add the chain cover, and don't forget the pedals. Continue by sketching the frame of our amazing bicycle. Craft the seat and a sturdy back carrier too. Let's add a charming front basket to our bicycle. It's the perfect spot for all our artistic inspiration. Make sure the outline is crisp and bold for that final touch. Bring out your vibrant color pens. It's coloring time. Pink color. Blue color. Purple color. Red color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Let your imagination ride high with these beautiful colors. Great job, young artists! You've created a magnificent bicycle with your incredible creativity. Keep exploring, keep drawing, and keep pedaling through your imagination. Until next time, happy drawing and happy cycling! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.